Hello students, hope you all are enjoying your extended holidays due to lockdown. But children, on the other hand, we know this also our studies are also very important. Because of this lockdown, our studies should not be hampered. So, after completing the book work of English 2, that is English grammar, we will start today the copy work of lesson 1, that is the alphabet. For this you have to take a 4 lines copy as I have shown here. Now before the writing work, just listen properly some instructions for your copy work. So the first point is to do paging, means you have to number the pages. Children, when you will open your copy, you will get an index page like this where you have to fill your name and class here. From the next page, you have to do the numbering starting from number 1 as I have done here. Number 1, in the next page number 2, and so on. Now the next point is to use a sharp pencil. Yes children, you have to use a sharp pencil with which you can write neatly. Next is write in a cursive writing. You have to write in cursive letters A, B, C, D in a cursive letter. Next is if you have to draw any line, you have to just use a scale. And the last is give one finger gap between every two words. When you will write a line, there should be a proper one finger gap between two words. Now let's start our copy work. Open your copy and leave page number 1 and 2. We will start our writing work from page number 3. Here first we will draw the first line at the top of the first 4 lines as I have drawn here. And the next line here at the bottom of the second 4 lines. These lines are called headlines. So you have to use a scale and a proper sharpened pencil to draw these lines. Now at the left corner you will write the date, and at the right corner you will again draw a small line as I have drawn here, and you will write there CW. Next work is you'll write on the first line lesson 1, and in the second line the alphabet. After that you will leave a line as I have left here. Then you will, from the next line you will write question inside the margin, and you will write the question, write A to Z. The letters you have to write in the same way as I have written here. So see it properly and make the letters properly in your copy. Now come on next page. Again you have to draw here one line here and the next line here. After that again you have to leave one line, and from the next line you have to write next question, that is write A to Z. This we have to write in small letters. Now we will come on the next page. Now on the next page again you have to draw one line here and next line here as you have done in the before page. Here again you have to make a small star as I have drawn here, and you will write points to remember. Remember, children, there should be a proper one finger gap between two words as I have left in the lines. Are the points some important points that you have learned in this chapter? After writing points to remember, you will leave a line here, then you will start from number 1. There are 26 letters in English alphabet. After completing number 1, you will leave one line here and you will write the number 2. There are 5 vowels and 21 consonants. After completing this line, you will leave again a line and you will write number 3. Similarly, you will leave again one line and then you will write number 4. Now let's see the next page. On the next page, again here is an exercise. Again you have to draw 2 lines as I have drawn here. Then write 1 on the next line as I have written. Next is write question. Fill in the missing letters with vowels. Here you have to complete the words with the help of vowels as you have done in your book. From 1 to 5 I have done it already, and the next 6 to 10 will be your homework. You have to do it on your own. Again open a new page and again draw 2 lines headline and write number 2 and write the question. Fill in the missing letters with consonants. Here again I have done 1 to 5 and the rest 6 to 10 you have to do as your homework. Now children, here we complete our copy work of lesson 1. Now your homework is to complete the last 2 questions from question part 6 to 10. Do it properly and do the copy work neatly.